your future in construction at the Saginaw Career Complex. Builders are in the business of making dreams come true. Whether it's a dream home, an office building, a hotel, a hospital, or even a manufacturing plant, the construction industry is a popular field to build a career.
Knowing you can get a reliable job is great to have.
Construction offers jobs right out of high school and may even pay you while training through a variety of apprenticeship opportunities. Construction is a high-wage, high-demand career with average salaries beginning at $45,000 and exceeding $100,000 with additional training and experience. Michigan's construction industry projects they'll need 90,000 employees per year to fill forecasted openings, and the Saginaw Career Complex is ready to provide you the hands-on training and safety certifications needed to begin your career in construction. Students will learn blueprint reading, carpentry, construction ethics, electrical, excavation, HVAC, masonry, plumbing, project management, safety, site layout, and more. Students practice job site safety skills needed to earn OSHA safety certification and are mentored by and work side by side with industry professionals, including Michigan safety consultants, building inspectors, contractors, National Home Builders Association members, and more.
Being in a building trade class has helped me a lot. I wasn't very sure what I was going to do after high school, but now I know that I'm going into residential electrical because it's something that I feel passionate about and something I wouldn't have known and I wouldn't have to take this class.
In building construction, learning goes beyond the classroom with a variety of off-site learning opportunities. Students in building construction are members of the National Association of Home Builders Student Chapter and Skills USA, a national student organization providing opportunities for students to develop skills and leadership.
There's a good pride that I take with being a part of the SCC Building Construction team because we're also a part of the Home Builders Association Student Chapter. We're the first high school chapter in Michigan.
Students also participate in Delta College's Student Technical Solutions Competition.
I love competition. It was a good experience to be there and compete.
So why wait? Discover your passion and talent for one of the many construction careers. Experience your future in building construction at SCC.